So let me open Uipath Studio. We'll see some examples of variables. See that variables, all these basic topics which we are going from today to like next coming 3 to 4 days, right? These are only the foundation of your development skills. If you are clear with these activities, na, like what is a variable, how to create a variable, what is a for loop, what is if condition, these will only help us to understand. Means this will help us to create complex projects in future. Okay, so put a very clear focus on this. If you have any query, small query, you should understand. For example, I said we were telling that we are talking about variables, so you should know first thing what is variable, okay, why it is used, and how to create a variable, how to delete a variable. If you understand these things, you will be clear, right, with all the operations. Along with that, you should also know how to update a variable, how to make it how to make a variable blank. Okay, like if my balance is 100, how to make it as 1000, how to make it as 0. So these kind of operations we should know, then you will be having confidence. Okay, I know everything about variables. When we speak about arguments, then you should get all this cross questioning, like what is argument, how can we use argument, is argument different concept than what we have learned previously. If it is similar, then there will be something which will be difference of any two, right? So you should try to cross question these things and find answers of this will help you to gain more knowledge. Okay, first of all, we will see where we can create a variable. Okay, so there are 2 3 types of ways to create a variable, but the basic way is go to variables panel. In design panel bottom you can see a variable panel. Is it visible? You can see this, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So I will just click on create variables panel. You can see the one window has expanded in bottom. So you can see here there is one like light font where message create variable. If I click here, I'm it's a default entry which it is giving. Okay, so let me write name. So I am creating a variable of name. Okay, my variable name is name. That is first block. What is the second field here? Variable type. Type in the sense, do you want boolean? Boolean I said. What is boolean, Siddharth?
it's a true or false.
Is it true or false? Only two things it will accept: true or false. Int 32 means
Only
integer value. Integer in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. All these things will come under integer. String in the sense any word or alphabetical number. Okay, alphabetical word or anything, even numbers will come inside this. The only thing is string is represent in quotation. Okay, double quotes. Data table is a structural format of rows and columns, like how you will see excel. You have used excel, right?
yeah, yeah.
So data table represent and tabular structure. How you will see data in Excel, like headers are there, rows are there, columns are there. So data table is similar to tabular structure. What is an array? Array is a collection of same data. Let me just take a notepad just to show you how an array looks. Okay. For example, I am telling there is one variable of integer type, and the variable name is age. What with and age will be 25. This we call as age. Okay, of integer data type. But there will be some case where you will get some list of ages. Like for example, now there are 3 people who are present in this class. Siddharth is one person whose age is 32. I am one person whose age is 40. Murlidhar is third person whose age is 20. Okay, these are set of common data types. Is it common data type, right? Age.
Yeah.
So these common data type we put at same place. Those we call as an array. Okay, array is collection of same data type. Array can be collection of same data type of integer. It can be same data type of name also. Okay, it's not like only numbers. It will accept any data type, but the data type should be same inside that bracket. Okay,
Okay.
for example, Ram, Raju, Ravi. So these we call it as name array, string array. Okay, and you will see this bracket being followed up. Okay, if you see bracket, you have to understand that this is an array. It will have the same details, but the only thing is it will have multiple values, and
The same variable nature of.
variable name will be same. Okay,
Yes.
and we'll get to know about array in future, but you have to just get some high level idea, like array is also a normal variable, but it will have multiple values. Okay,
Okay.
okay, next thing is we have one more data type called object. Object is like parent of all the data types. Okay, let me just give an example. For example, uh, if I tell integers in mathematics, you have something called as natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, we
Mm.
also have whole numbers. You know whole numbers.
Yeah. Start from
Whole
zero.
number starts from
Zero.
0, and we also have integer numbers. Integer starts from, it is positive and negative combination of all. Okay, negative numbers, comma 0, comma positive numbers. Okay, so in this case, natural number is like a child for whole numbers. Okay, like all elements of natural number can come from whole numbers. Okay,
Mm.
and similarly all elements of whole numbers can come from
Integer.
integer. So similarly, object is a parent data type of all the data types. Like it can be integer also. Object can be integer. Object can also be string. Object can also be data table. Object can be boolean. Object can be like array also. So object is like a parent class or parent data type of for everyone. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if I am telling, if I am creating an object. Okay, object name is like age, and I am creating its value as something called as 40. Now age is not at all an integer, it's an object data type. Okay, but in future, in future if I am telling there is one more age, integer age. Okay, this is an integer data type, then I can convert this object age to integer. That is one use which we can, what's one kind of conversion which you can do. Okay, what you can do is object age is number, it looks like a number, right?
Mm-hmm.
That object integer you can change into actual integer. Okay, convert to integer, this can be happen. So that is one thing, like if it is a parent class, parent data type, it has to be some kind of reversible process, right? So that kind of process operations are also present in Uipath. Okay, for example, if there is an object of a string, for example, if I am telling